Hey guys, so today I will be checking out Dot browser. So this is a new web browser. It looks very promising. They've just released a version for Mac. So that is very cool. So I really want to try that out. So I'm definitely going to be installing it, and it's going to be in this video, and I'm going to give you my first impressions. So of course, stay tuned, everybody. It will be an installation. This is my first time trying it out. I've been in the Discord for a while, but now I can actually use it, so that's cool. So let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to install Dot browser. Let's double click. Let's just get it working up in here. So I've got very high expectations for this browser. I know it's in beta though. I won't criticize it too much if it isn't good. Because this is like beta software basically. So we shouldn't expect too much. This is a pretty new browser. From what I know, it's Firefox based. It's a very cool looking browser. I love Firefox based browsers. So of course I want to check this one out. Here we are. So it is a copying to the applications folder. Whilst it does that, I'm going to see if it's notarized by Apple. It's currently not signed, but that's probably because it's beta software. So yeah, that's cool. I'm going to try Dot browser. Open it up. Let's see if Dot will open. Yeah, so if you're Mac OS like me, you'll need to go into System Preferences. You'll need to navigate to Security and Privacy. You need to click Open Anyway and Open Anyway. And here we are. Here's Dot browser opening up. So I've got high expectations. Oh look, so here is a prompt to make it my default. I may do, if this is a good browser. Oh my, this looks really nice. Okay, so I don't really like this pocket here for some strange reason. Remove. I don't like that. So this looked like a really nice looking version of Firefox. Let's see if I can. Yeah, so you can sign into Dot browser to sync and all that. So it's got some nice web developer tools here. Yeah. Some easy way to access that. And let's see some of the preferences up in here. DuckDuckGo is default. That's a bit weird, but as it's beta software, I won't give it too much flack. You know, they're doing a great job up in here. But that is a bit strange. That it turns all white for some reason. Can I add in? Yeah, I can add in the search box, which is cool. I'm gonna of course set stuff to strict. Yeah, that is cool. You can make it forget your history. Actually, I won't do that right now. Yeah, so I can enable. Yeah, so HTTPS only mode is enabled by default. This is a very cool looking interface. Overall, this is a very interesting approach to take to an interface. So yeah. It's got all the things that you might need, except from LBRY. You might need to add that one. So it's blocking ads. Let's see how many ads it can block. Let's see if it can block the YouTube ads up in here, because that's a real thing. I like to block the YouTube ones. 8. Okay, here's pretty cool. You see, there's a lot of these there's a lot of these UI problems where everything's white on white, and that's a bit of a problem. So I think they'll need to fix that. It makes things a bit annoying, but let's try installing some extensions, why don't we? Let's try and install my extension. Everybody should be using my extension here, you know. What a joke. Of course you can use my extension if you want to, but let's see if everything's working. Yes, it is. Yep, it's all right here. Yeah, everything's like working well. Let's see how my website loads. There we are. That's pretty cool. So that's nice. That's very nice. So yeah. So everything seems to be working. Everything's quite nice actually with this browser. Let's check for updates. So it can do that. So that's very cool. Extensions and themes, it works. Let's see if I can add this. Yeah, a nice little thing there. So all the extensions I've been trying out have worked because it's Gecko based. I would think it would work. And it's based on the latest version of Firefox, which is reassuring, you know. You don't have to worry about accidentally using an old version of Firefox, because Dot is here for you when it comes to that. So that is cool. So this is a quite nice browser. I'd suggest you check it out. It's beta software. Don't bash them if something's like wrong in this browser. It's only beta software really. I've so far been pretty impressed, except from a few UI problems. Everything seems pretty cool with this browser. I really like it. It's working well on Mac OS. So yeah, that's all I can really hope for from a browser, that it could work well on multiple platforms, Linux, Mac, Windows even. So yeah. So unlike browsers like LBRY, which I'll be doing a video on soon, it actually works on like Windows, which is cool. And yeah, it's not hard to use at all. It's very attractive looking. If I hadn't accidentally configured it to look a bit ugly by accident, that's my fault. But yeah, this is what it looks like by default. Looks very slick, very nice. It'll have dot account integration, so there could be some very cool things when it comes to this. Currently it's just a Firefox account, but in the future I think it'll have dot integration. If I'm not mistaken, they'll have a thing called a dot ID. So this is a very cool privacy-centric browser, which I think actually helps a lot with your privacy, better than using Firefox in many ways. So if you're going to use Firefox, use this browser. If you're going to use any browser, maybe try this browser. Hopefully I don't sound like too much of a shill in this, but it's done very well in my testing. I am not a developer for this browser, but it's very cool. Yeah. I'll definitely be trying this out, maybe even switching to it if a few of the bugs are fixed. So yeah, everything looks very nice in here, and I think that's my conclusion. This is a very nice browser. This is very cool. These are just my initial impressions. Everything could change technically. Everything could go wrong. Everything could go good. We don't know. Let's see if the compact thing works. Oh yeah, compact works. So this is all cool and nice and dandy. But if you enjoyed today's video, you can subscribe, you can like, you can share. You can check me out on LBRY and Odysee. They're great two decentralized platforms. they work very well. They're ad-free tracking. They don't have much tracking, and they don't censor content. So if you can never, if you can't find my video on YouTube, let's say it's been taken down, it will be on Odysee or LBRY. So of course you can do all those things. You can share this if you enjoyed it. If you want more people to know about Dot Browser, because Dot Browser is very cool, you can of course do all those things, and yeah, goodbye.